You know, PEZ and stockings go together. I think that's where I got my first fix of PEZ, through some stocking PEZ. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, this is really cool. So my mom collects stockings, and when I was at PEZmania this year, I saw this stocking and I had to pick it up as a gift. Now, every year for Christmas, my mother still buys me PEZ dispensers, and she thinks it's so funny. Now, I do not collect PEZ. In fact, Donald, Geraldine, uh-oh. Carl, can you find my collection? Can you find the Elite 5, please? We'll get Carl on it for us. But the PEZ just piles up. And I feel bad if I sell the PEZ that my mom gives me, because that's all I'm going to do with the PEZ is sell it or give it away or something like that. You know, it makes me feel bad. So this year I made sure to sell the PEZ that my mom gave me for Christmas, and I used the money to buy this stocking for her. Recycling the PEZ, recycling the PEZ. So there you go. It's really cool because I like the fact it tries to run away. But the clear cellophane's inside where you can see the colorful dispensers. And you can see what you're getting. There you go. That's all you need. It's not just the holiday gift pack. This is a full stocking. There you go. You don't need to have $100 gift cards in there. Just 4 PEZ. So simple, so great, so awesome. That's what PEZ is. All right. High five to you guys. So until next time.